Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete cookies and site data on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser and select the three-dotted icon up in the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says Settings. And now on the left side, select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to go down underneath where it says Delete Browsing Data. Go ahead and select that. And now if you want to delete cookies and other site data, make sure that one's selected. You can alternatively uncheck the other two for browsing history and cached images and files. For time range, click the drop down and select all time or any period of time, but we're going to select all time and then delete data. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.